Welcome to my next video. So I am here at Rizal Park. Today is August 16, 2016. Today is the second day of the Davao Kadayawan celebration here at Davao City. So for now, I am here at Rizal Park. So this is the biggest motorcycle that I ever seen. So look at that. So that is from Yamaha. So hi guys, I am here at Rizal Park and this is the very famous Dorian statue here. And like everyone really loves it. I mean everyone who wanted to come here, I never miss to take a picture and selfie with it. And in front of this Dorian statue is our famous City Hall of Davao. So hi guys, I am here right now sitting at Rizal Park in front of the City Hall of Davao. So I'm here waiting for the Tribuhanong, it's called Tribuhanong Pasundayag. It's a cultural show tonight at 6 p.m. So let's check it out later. I'm going to San Pedro Cathedral in front of this car. This is the city. In the park. That is the Sangguniang Panlungsod. Panlungsod ng Davao.
Ayan. Kumusta na mo tanan din ha? Okay lang tayong tanan? Okay lang ba ang tanan? Okay, Ate Sheila.
Malibayong pagsaulog sa atong ika-31st Kadayawan sa Davao Festival. Yes, and later on, ato ng sugdan, hindi na nato ni Dugayon babay.
Yes, Ate Sheila.
Ubay-ubay yun ang ato ang mga performers karong gabi una. Sugdan ta, no? Sugdan ta karon ang ato ang mga igsuo at ta. Tonight's Tribuhanong Pasundayag is an opening performance to be given by one of Davao's 11 indigenous communities, the Ata. They are sometimes called Atas or Atas. The Spaniards called the people living in the upland areas Atas, lumping many tribes together. These were the people they did not reach in their initial reduction efforts. Today, the term Ata applies to the relatively dark-skinned tribes found in Marilog, Paquibato, Panabo, Carmen, Santo Tomas, Kapalong, and neighboring places.
The Atas are considered the least developed among the Davao tribes in terms of material, culture, and social organization. considered the earliest inhabitants. They were pushed into the interior by new arrivals. Like the other Lumats, the Atas have been marginalized due to settler intrusions into their traditional areas. Now, the Atas continue to hold on their traditional culture while grappling with modernization.
Pili lang rito, kami mabigla.
Grow together as they were like brothers. Their friendship was
See you
tested by
in
time,
another video.
where both of